Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here. I got an Amazon package. Let's open it and get into it. All right, so I got another package that came in today from Amazon. Let's get into it. Box came in pretty good shape. Came in pretty quick too. So I'll give you the information on the time of delivery now. Ordered this on May 19th. It came in on May 21st. So 2-day shipping. It was under the Amazon Prime. And here is the item. Where's the front? Boom. This is it was listed as a Tyson Air electric bug zapper, but I don't see Tyson Air on here anywhere for a name. I see made in China, but I don't see Tyson Air. So maybe it's just generic. But it was sold by the store Environmental Friends. This is a 1,000 volt bug zapper, and we live out in the country. And living out in the country, it's difficult to go out and sit outside at night on our deck because of the insects. We have mosquitoes. Right now we have black flies. Mosquitoes are just starting. So yeah, so this would kind of be a nice thing to hopefully get rid of those pesky bugs. Let's unbox it. Easy little flip on the top. And it pops open. Let's adjust it so you can see down here. Opens down. And there it comes out. And there's some instructions. And a little cleaning brush. So, why did I choose this one? Well, it was listed as being safe for animals, for people, which is important. It was also listed as being easy to clean, which is something you want to be able to do. And it came with a 1-year warranty, which is nice because you never know how long these things are going to last, really. So this one here has a little cord. They had some that were battery operated. I wasn't sure exactly how well that would do. So I decided to get the corded one. I thought the higher voltage might be better. It has the ability to hang it, so you could hang it if you wanted to, or you could just set it down somewhere, which is probably what we're gonna do, is just set it. But if we really, really like it and we wanna use it a lot, maybe we will hang it. We end up sitting outside quite a bit in the summer where we live because we are out in the country. So as I mentioned, this does come with a 1-year warranty, and it's supposed to be very easy to clean. This thing twists. Okay. Did I twist it wrong? Maybe I did it wrong. No, I did it right. There it is. Just twists and pops open. So as the bugs fly into the light, they hit the 1,000 volt coils that are in here that are protected, so you can't actually touch them, which is good. And it fries them, and then they're gonna fall into this little collection tray at the bottom, and you can clean it out every so often so it doesn't get all nasty. Yeah, so that's that. How much did I pay for this item? Well, I paid $32.99. It was not the cheapest. It was not the most expensive. It was kind of middle of the road, and I was okay with that. I want something that's gonna work. And it had 4 stars. So it was pretty good rating, not the best. I mean, there was definitely some that had less stars. And there was maybe 4 stars was pretty average for what you're getting here. So let's try this thing out and see how it works. Well, here I am, just starting to get dark out. I got my bug zapper. Let's try plugging it in. There it is. The nice purplish glow of a bug zapper. I'm going to just set it over here. And we'll see. See how it does. It's kind of nice out tonight. It's one of the first warm nights we've had. There's no on-off switch, no on-off button anywhere on the cord or on the case itself. So you just simply unplug it and plug it in. And when you plug it in, it works. So I guess we wait. In the effort of not making a really boring video, what I'll do is I'll come back to this in a little bit and we'll check how many bugs it's gotten. Boom. That's all it does. Little snap and the bug is gone. So I left it out there for about 30 minutes and you can see on the coil around the element there, tons of bugs just fried. So I want to see how many it actually collected in the cup. I'm going to unplug it because I don't want to do that myself. Try to clean this thing up. So there was some stuff that didn't actually fry and that was escaping. Well, I had to clean that out outside because a lot of them were still alive. But did get a fair amount of bugs. Did a pretty good job. But I think the reservoir could be a little bigger. So we'll see how it does over a few days. So just to follow up on the bug zapper review, I've realized after thinking about it, it was doing a good job on the smaller insects, mosquitoes, black flies, tinier bugs that could fit through the plastic parts and hit the electrified coil inside. The bigger things like moths, which are often drawn to light sources, beetles and things like that, it didn't do a great job on those things. Maybe they're just too large to be able to reach in and get to the spot where they'll actually be electrified and killed. So yeah, that's just, you know, not that it's bad, it's just kind of the way it is. The safety of it, so you can't get in there and hurt yourself or have your pets get hurt or your children get hurt, affects the fact that larger insects aren't able to get there and get to the coil and get zapped. So, but I still think it's a good bug zapper.